Gene Thompson, 57 Chevy. I found this down in Mississippi in a barn. It sat there for 39 years. The barn was falling down around it. And I found it on Marketplace actually. And the guy that owned it brand new parked it there 39 years ago and never went back. And it was his daughter that sold it to me. And the barn was falling down around us, so she wanted the car out before it fell down on the car. And that's been a year ago. And I work on it every day since then. So it took me a whole year to get it to where it is now. And I did it like a job. I worked 8 hours a day, every day, even on the weekends. And the hardest part, I think, was getting parts and doing the interior. That was a job. It's all original. I made sure everything on it's original. I even rebuilt all the parts so that there's nothing that I bought and put on it for its running wise. And I just rebuilt everything. The master cylinder brakes, you can't get that part no more. They don't make it. So I took it apart and I rebuilt it myself, and it works fine. And then the generator, I could have put an alternator on it, but I wanted it original, so I rebuilt the generator. And the carburetor, rebuilt that. And that's the original 4-barrel carburetor that came out in '57 back in the day. And getting parts for that was a challenge. Well, the roadblock is finding somebody that had the parts. Not everybody has all the parts. They have a part here and a part there. So you call all over the United States. Somebody's got this part, somebody's got that part. And that's how you get them. And then there's a lot of cons. You got to be careful with that because you won't get what you paid for. So you have to watch that. So it's a challenge. It's a blast to drive. Sure enough, I love driving it. The only thing is the kickback is if you stop and get gas, you'll always got people coming up to look at it. So it's kind of a little bit of a drawback. And you got to watch other people don't scratch it or things like that, because I always wanted one. I've always, since I was a kid, but they was always overpriced. I couldn't afford them. And I seen this one, and I had the money to buy it, so I bought it. And I've always wanted a 57. Well, it's a lot of work, but you just gotta press the wheel and you just keep doing it until you get it done. You can't stop, and it's a labor of love, is what it is. Every day you see something new, something else is happening to it. It looks better every day. Yeah, you just keep going. Like they're putting new tires on it, man. This is awesome. Yeah, you love that kind of stuff.